everybody, my name is Ashley Hay. I'm a mixed media artist and today I'm going to talk to you about Easy Structure from Powtex Art Supplies. Easy Structure is essentially the Powtex version of modelling paste. Easy Structure is really beautiful to use. It is buttery and soft, so it will create structure in your artwork and is perfect to put through stencils. You can put pigment colour into the Easy Structure. If you use it on its own, it will just come out white, but it will hold the structure really well. It doesn't crack and it really keeps a beautiful form. So there is so much you can do with this incredible medium. You can add pigments into the Easy Structure and it will change the colour. So remembering though that because the Easy Structure is white, it is going to tend to be more pastel colours. So if you put, say, red pigment in, it's going to end up being pink. Blue will be a lighter blue, and you'll see that as you're mixing and working with it. Once you have created the structure, you can work with Powtex, Bista, any of the art supplies from Powtex. In addition, you could use acrylics and anything else that you've got in your stash to create some gorgeous colours on these textural layers. You can even use oil paint once your Easy Structure and underlayers of Powtex are dry. One of the major reasons I love using Easy Structure is because it dries so quickly. So being an instant gratification girl when it comes to my artwork, this makes it the perfect product for me because I know that I can create a layer and very, very quickly it's going to dry and hold its structure. So this is a huge positive and a huge tick from me. However, it is also the downside. It is really important to ensure that you keep the lid on your Easy Structure while you're working, otherwise it will dry out. So something that I like to do is lay some Glad Wrap over the top of my open container, take the air out of the Glad Wrap and then put the lid on. This actually seals the Easy Structure really well, keeping it nice and moist and giving it a longer shelf life. So you can expect a shelf life of approximately 12 months once it's opened, depending on how you look after it. It's also really important to store it in a frost-free environment, so be sure to keep it at room temperature. Easy Structure makes it really easy to create beautiful textural layers in your artwork, working fast and furiously with very little drying time. So if you're like me and you like to keep working, you'll love this fantastic product from Powtex Art Supplies. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you're notified when we release new videos. Enjoy creating, everybody. Ciao for now.